Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Again, great to see you, Delegate O'Quinn. Appreciate you coming to Capitol Hill to bring some wisdom from Southwest Virginia up here. Is there anything that you wanted to talk about that you haven't had an opportunity to talk about?
Well, thank you, Congressman Griffith. I would just say that this has been a very frustrating process. Our industry meets with FDA on a regular basis.
And you're not talking about the hearing, you're talking about this situation.
No, the hearing has been smooth as silk.
Thank you.
But the process throughout this whole, throughout the fleshing out of this has been difficult because we meet with FDA on a regular basis on a wide variety of topics, and this has been one particular topic in which they have been absolutely unwilling to meet or communicate. And so here we are discussing a delay versus some clarity and reasonable flexibility. But it has been a very frustrating process, but we do appreciate the opportunity to be here today to air our side of this story.
Well, thank you very much for being here. I'll ask both you and Ms. Liddle, the concerns about, we've heard both today, the concerns about somebody being charged with a felony, I guess Ms. Hubbard as well. And one of the things you said, Ms. Liddle, was that as currently written. Now, intent is a good thing, but as a lawmaker for a number of years, only a few years here, but a long time in the Virginia legislature, if you don't make it clear, somebody will misinterpret the intent. And while the intent may be not to charge your worker with a felony because they get a little excited with the cheese on the pizza or something where they don't follow the exact recipe, you've said the way it's currently written, they could be charged. Is it a problem of the difference between the actual wording of the statute and the intent, or do you all just disagree completely on what
way it's written? I'm not a lawyer, but it's my understanding that this falls under the Food and Drug Cosmetic Act. And under this, there's sort of a presumption of guilt ahead of time. I mean, there are criminal penalties that could be put on folks, and
So you might like to see some words like intentionally and repetitively, or a pattern of intentional behavior.
Correct. And I agree with Mr. Quinn. It has been a frustrating experience waiting for rules from FDA, and I frankly don't trust that the ultimate outcome of their rules will be correct, and so I really believe that we need this fix.
Well, and I appreciate that, and I would probably have some more questions for you, but the votes are on the floor, and I know the chairman's been very patient to let me have this time. Thank each and every one of you for testifying, and I hope we can straighten this out.
Thank you. Thank you.
I yield back.
Chair, thanks, gentlemen.